Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps in calculator in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and you want to hide your apps in calculator, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your Play Store app and here just go for search and search for calculator. Just search for this calculator lock and here you will get this app which is hide you calculator lock. You must have to install it. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. You must have to wait for this. After installation just tap on open to open the app and here just select agree and continue, then select grant to enable the permission. Just tap on allow permission and it will be enabled, and here you must have to enter a password which you want to create. As I'm going to create, let's say this one, just tap on equal icon and here just enter the password again, then tap on equal again, and here you can easily create a familiar gesture, but I'm going to skip this one. Just tap on skip and it will be skipped, and here you must have to wait for its loading and then we will have a setup. From here you must have to skip the ad. After that you must have to tap on hide apps to hide your apps, and just tap on it, and here just select the apps which you want to hide, and I'm going to select Chrome, Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp from here, then select next, and here just tap on enter, and from here you must have to select calculator, select it, so you will get just like that display. So after that your all selected apps will be hidden from your home screen and app drawer. So let's see how can you find your hidden apps. You must have to tab on calculator and here just enter your pin which you have just created. So just wait for its loading, and here just enter the password, then tap on the equal icon, and here you will get your all hidden apps just like that. So that's how you can easily hide your apps in calculator in Samsung A36 or the 56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.